Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and congratulations! We did it! 5,000 subscribers to this channel. I have to say thank you so very much. It all started about 3 years ago when I picked up my first RV. You guys were with me from the very first video post. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is it, my very first rig, a 24-foot Itasca Spirit 2004. It's in great shape, better shape than I actually thought. Let's go ahead and take a tour. So here we go, gonna just walk around it. As I said, 2004, no slides on this one, 24 feet. I didn't really want a long one because I don't know, I'm down with the tiny, so this is kind of cool. Lots of storage underneath here. It's in pretty good shape again. This is the back, the stairs that goes back up, and then here's the side. You can see it, big deck here for lots of stuff here. Some more stuff on the side. This one does come with an awning, and I learned how to take that out today. What do you say we go inside? So here we go. We're inside the unit. Still don't have an official name for it, but I'll come up with one fairly soon. This is the driver's cab area. Very nice. Up above. I don't know if I'll use this for storage or another sleeping unit. We'll have to see. It does come with a funky old TV. That definitely is going to have to be replaced. Have a little chair here, and then the dinette set here. The flooring is kind of mixed. It has a little bit of carpet, a little bit of linoleum, and it goes back over here. That's the fridge over there, the kitchen area here, and you can see the cabinets are in pretty good shape. Linoleum, not too bad. Goes in the back. It has one of those weird corner sofa bed things. Well, not sofa bed, but you know, one of those corner bed things. So I'm gonna see how that is. Definitely gonna have to get a mattress pad and some stuff. Lots of storage up above there. Here's the microwave and the oven and stove, which is in really good shape. Here is the vanity area. Hi. And then if you open up here, you see the toilet and shower, and it has fans. So it's in pretty, again, it's in really good shape. Better shape than I actually remember. So that's where it is right now. I do have plans to redecorate, and we'll do that in time. But first things first, I'm just kind of gonna get out on the road and see how it goes. So really exciting here, my very first RV. I hope it lives up to the hype. So many adventures to come. Stay with me. Make sure you subscribe and check out upcoming videos. And then, of course, take a look at where you can find me online. I'll put some information up there as well. Thanks very much. Have a great day. And now, one RV later, into a second RV. Crazy. I know, right? Right. Merry Christmas to myself. This is my new rig. Into a full remodel. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye here with you, and we are about to begin the big DIY project plan. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and can you believe it? The renovations are complete on my new to me RVJedeye mobile. Into thousands of miles on the road. several state parks. Okay, you guys are gonna laugh at this, but you know where I'm at? Way down upon the Swanee River. Yeah, that's where I'm at. It's pretty cool. Just went through 2 states in about 5 feet of walking. That side, Georgia. This side, Florida. Really does look like Jabba the Hutt, doesn't it? Pretty cool. And a lot of adventure. You guys have been with me through it all. I have to say thank you so very much. I do all of this because I want to share my passion for RVing with you, and you guys have made it worthwhile. So here's to 5,000. Cheers! 5,000 subscribers to this channel. I have to say thank you.